How to sign up or log into MidJourney account. If you want to sign up or log into your MidJourney account, it is very simple for us to do so. What we have to do to maybe sign up or log into MidJourney AI account is you open up your browser and go to midjourney.com. When you go to midjourney.com on their website, this is the interface that you'll be able to see. So here you can just sign up, login, or explore. If you already have an account, you can directly just go to this option that says login by clicking on it, and you can log in using your Google account or either your Discord account. Now, if you don't have an account, you can go to this option that says sign up instead. And from sign up, you can again either try to sign up with Google or continue with Discord. So depending on what is it that you prefer, you can just go ahead and select your respective account over here. You can go ahead and make sure to select your Google account in this case for which you want to create an account with. And once done, it will ask you for a couple of questions and you'll either be logged in or you'll either be taken to your new account. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.